Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So guys, if you are Instagram user and want to turn off your vanish mode and already turn on your vanish mode, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily turn off your vanish mode. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after this you need to open your Instagram, and guys you need to click on your chats. So guys, you need to click on that chat in which you want to turn off your vanish mode. So guys, now you can see vanish mode is turned on in this chat. So guys, there are two ways to turn off your vanish mode. So guys, first one is you need to click on this main profile, and guys, here is the option of vanish mode. As you can see here, simply you can turn off by this tab. And guys, the second one is here you can see, simply you need to scroll up. Here you can see swipe up to turn off vanish mode. And guys, when I am going to swipe up, then guys, now you can see vanish mode turn off automatically. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.